Guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. Welcome back to HumbleFx. Today we are going to be discussing another strong strategies that you can use to scalp the market successfully with little or no spike. If you can follow this strategy as I was discussed about it right here, you're not going to experience losses in your trading journey any longer. Okay, I would like you to watch this video to the very end so that you do not miss the important skills or the important information about the strategy. All right, and also if you are new to the channel, please do me a favor and hit on the subscribe button, and so turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified once a new video is uploaded. Okay guys, yeah, let us dive into the strategy and let me show you how this is working effectively. I've not been actively online these days because I'm preparing for an examination and all that, so it takes my time a lot. So if you see this strategy, you see that it is actually a great one because it works with the trend. It works with the trend very much. All right, so if you don't know how to get the trend, this will actually help you to know the trend of the market and to even maximize profit with it. This strategy works not only on boom and crash, it also works on other volatility indexes, but me personally, I try to use it to scalp the boom and crash indices. Also, I can swing with it. You can use to catch spike, trade the candles, and also trade other indices. It's very simple and very easy to use. All right, this is just one of the great ones I'm going to be posting. The last time I posted a chart and an analysis in this channel. So those that are members of the group, let me show you, and they are enjoying it. Guys, they are enjoying the stuff. Let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. This is it, people. I posted a video on this channel, but you can't see it right here. You will not see it here if you not join, if you're not a member of this channel. Those that are member, they enjoy that trade. It is, I did it yesterday, analysis of yesterday, and I posted it on the members channel, and those that are there, they make the market successfully. They made some massive profits on it. So you can join us here. We have 3 different packages in this place. You can join to be a loyal, a real member, so that if you comment, I will see a sign that you are a member, and you can join to be receiving daily analysis from me, or you can join to receive classes from which I'll be posting videos, tutorial videos that are premium videos. Only those that are members can watch that video, not public. Okay, now that is just it. All right, this trade here was the trade I sent on the channel. Yes, I sent it to members. From down here we moved down from here, and we catch this spike, we catch this move, and they enjoyed it. Those that saw the stuff, they are testifying already about that. All right, let's now get to the business of this one. This one is also a nice one. But let me give it to you for free so that we all share the love together. All right, okay, this is strategy that is working magically. And now let me show you the settings first. Come to this F button here if you are new and you don't know how to do it. Come here, we'll have just this indicator and this indicator. This one is not among what you need. Okay, so you click, you add your moving average. First one you have is 300, period is 200, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to weighted close HLC/4. I choose 4 pixels of blue and I click on done, and the next thing there is another moving average. Period is 100, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to previous indicators data. I choose 4 pixels of purple, and you click on done. Now if you do that, you should have the same on you should have something on this main screen like this, like you see on my own. You should see these 2 lines on your screen. Okay, now after that, you go back to that F button, and you're going to be adding your window indicator 2. This one, this is not part of the strategy. This is what you are going to be adding. First thing, you add your stochastic oscillator. To add this, you click on the F button on the main chart, and you check on the stochastic oscillator. Here is the parameters, so you can screenshot it so that you set it later, or you just set it as we proceed. Okay, the K period is 5, the D period is 3, the slowing is 3, and price feed is low high. Method is simple. The styles, I choose my background colors. You see here, these are my background colors, so I don't want them to be visible on my chart. All right, now the levels here, I choose level 10, 90, 80, 20, and 50. These are the levels you can choose. I don't want to add any description. If you like, you can add a buy in this place. 10 to be a buy, and 90 to be a sell, then 50 to be the TP, but I don't want to add anything there. Now the next thing there is these 2 moving averages. These 2 things here is the same thing as the ones on the main chart, so you can just come here, add the 300, shift 0 linear weight, weighted close HLC4, apply to a sector 4 pieces of blue. The next thing here is period is 100, shift 0. Method is linear weights, apply to previous indicators data, 4 pixels of purple, and that is that. So if you have done that, you should have this incredible money downloading screen that you are seeing right there on my chart. Okay, this is an awesome money downloading screen that you want to get attached to on your screen and start making crazy money online. Now, what is the zoom level? All right, what is the zoom level for this strategy? This is the lowest zoom level. You can zoom it out 1, 2. So here is the zoom level, guys. From the lowest zoom level, you zoom out twice so that you can at least see the candles you are trading. All right, now what are the requirements to take an entry? What are the requirements for taking an entry with this strategy? First thing first, you want to know the trend of the market. You can check on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is 4 hour. You can check on the 1 hour time frame to know what you are going to be doing. Now we see that this market is below the lines on the main chart. You see that this market, it's crossed over right here, and since then it's been on a downtrend. So this market is currently trending downside. Okay, even though using price market structure, we know that there is already a break of structure, which means there is already a break of structure around this point. So we already know that the market is already changing to upside direction. Okay, that is if you know about price action. All right, that is already what we are seeing here. That price already changed to upward direction. You could see my trend line also got broken out, and the market structure has been broken right here. So we are expecting a sharp move up or upside. Okay, so where do this first TP should be somewhere. The TP now, if you are watching this video now, you can set your TP. You can enter the buy here, guys, for a long entry. Guys, this is a long trade, and set your TP, your first TP at this point. This is a psychological level of 8,700. It will buy to that point, even though there is a spike. There should be a spike downside, but there should be a buy to that extent. Okay, now coming down to us, that is if you are taking a long trade. Remember, that is over 100 pips. Remember, now we are scalping. If we are scalping, we will not go and do that kind of. We can't trade like that. We are going to go down to 5 minutes and to 1 minute. Now this is a trend line I drew on 5 minutes. Okay, I would expect this market, this trend, to drop down to this my trend line, like this, to drop my trend line. And what do I expect from this thing? I will expect a sharp move which will move us to that our TP. Okay, this will actually move us like this, like it will move us to that TP once it comes to that trend line, and I believe it will come there. If it didn't come there, it will come at least to this level here, right? And the upside will be our direction movement. Now we now know that the market is actually on an uptrend using market structure analysis. All right, but based on these two things here, is a downtrend on a 1 hour time frame, but on a 5-minute time frame we see there is a crossover here showing us an uptrend on the M5. On this one too, we are seeing a crossing here showing an uptrend. This is M15. Now what do we take? We are scalping. Remember, we are scalping. Remember, we are trying to scalp, so we're not taking a long trade. So we are going to focus on the 5 minutes and the M15 for our analysis to know the trend we are going to take. Remember, for scalping you have to take the M15 and M5 to know the trend of the market, because we are scalping. You don't want to stay long in the market. Now we know that the trend is already an uptrend using the M15 and the M5. Okay, now what next do? We now come to this, start checking where we'll get an entry point. The first entry point we are going to take is you are going to wait for you to see something like this. See this? There should be a crossover of these two moving averages around the level of 10 and level of 20. You should see something like this happening, and then another thing, you should see another thing in the main chart too. There should be also a crossing over in the main chart as well. So you see this like this. This is what you are going to be needing to make your entry. So when you take your entry around that point, around this point here, you take your entry around when there is a crossover here and here. So you see that you should enter the trade here. You can decide to take up to 10 pips at the same time, 10 candles or even more than that. All right, you see that you can take your entry here. Let me assume that we took entry at this point. Now where did we reach? You see, from this point we already taking 23 pips already before we got any spike down. We already took 23 candles before the spike come down, and look at that, the things continue to move upside. All right, that is what you need to do to take your entry. And the next thing here, look at also here, we have it crossing at the level of 10 and 20. Also a cross happening here. We take our entry and boom, we go. All right, you can see also here we are having something happening here, but there was not a clear cross here. There was not a clear cross at this moment. In this point, you could see that the market is just ranging around here, so there is nothing we can do here. We only have to ignore the trade and move ahead. Okay, if you also want to sell, I told you guys that this thing can be used to catch spike and all that. You can also sell. Look at it, there is spike happened and there is a crossover. So even as this market is coming upside, you know that there's a cross here already. So you are already knowing that you are selling the market. You could enter your trade, enter your sell order around along this line where this thing is moving up, and you cut that spike. You cut those spikes sharply. So it's very awesome that you can make a lot of money if you understand, practice this strategy with your meditation, because you don't just watch it and start to use it. You watch it and you set on your charts and you back test it, you practice it to see, to discover many other things that I didn't say in this video. Okay, see also here there's a cross here, boom, you are in the market. All right, so you don't want to be left here. You can see here also there's a cross here, we should enter the market, but a spike happened. If a spike happened like this, we are going to exit in loss. When a spike happen against you, you are going to exit in loss. Once you are 10 pips in loss, you just close your profit. That is, if you are using lot 0.2 and you get loss of $2, just exit it, just close your trade and go away. just close it. If you are just 10 pips in loss, close that trade and wait for another entry. You will see different, you will see many other entries to take. Okay, that is to show you that it's not 100% accurate. You see here also, we saw a cross here, and you get into the market. Let's check on other crash 500 to see if you can get a live trade to take. No, this one too, you don't have a live trade to take here. Let's check on boom 1000 to see. Yes, guys, look at that, guys. We saw a live trade here. We have got a live trade, guys. Let us take this trade and then you will see how we are going to make this happen, guys. All right, I'm not going to take a small trade here. I'm going to take a long trade. Yes, I'm going to take a long trade here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to open this trade. Yeah, open it like this. See that I'm going to set my TP. I'm taking 7 pips here. Yes, taking 7 pips here. I'll set my TP to 7 pips. So where my TP will reach, see where my TP is going to reach before. You see that's how we do it, guys. It's not a magic, just see it there. I just told you guys a spike. You see that I just told you guys that once it's crossover, you take your entry. You see that it just saw the entry point here right on this place, and we took an entry point. We want to actually see. You see, I've grown this account. I funded this money now, and I grew it using this strategy, and I grew it I already made this one as profit today, and we are going to make more profit right here with this one. So I'm not afraid of this market. I know that it's going to hit my TP and all that. So it's just that simple. Let's check on boom 500. This one also is ranging. Look at this, it is ranging. It is ranging, so you can actually, this is an uptrend. This is going to buy. If you know about price action, you see that there is already a trend breakout here, so that we should expect a spike upside. Okay, that's what we should expect in this market. We should expect a spike going upside like this. All right, so you don't want to enter this trade because it not meets any requirements. So guys, this is how we do it in this place. You see, we took a live trade, and that is what we do. Okay, I don't know if we should wait for this thing to TP, or we just call it a day so that you see the results right after this on the group. Okay, it's very, very awesome, guys. You don't want to miss out of this stuff. Just watch it to the end, practice it, and then use it. You see that cross here? You see that cross here? That is the cross I'm saying. See the cross here on the main chart. See the cross here on the indicator window. See that is what I'm saying, and I took it live because I want to show you that this actually works, not a fabricated stuffs or book story. We are already into profits, dollar profits, like that. That is how we do it. All right, guys. See you in the next video, and please give me a comment on the comment section. Like this video, share to your families and friends, and also comment how you feel about this video. I will be waiting for you on the next video. Don't miss out. Remember to keep turn on the bell notification so that you get notified once a new video is uploaded in this channel. All right, see you next video. HumbleFx. Enjoy.